Alright, no risk, no Ferrari. We're down 2.5k. God damn. Okay, right. Let's go over this quickly because I need to get out somewhere. Right. Okay, so this is the 5 minute on Nasdaq. 5 minute ES. 5 minute. God damn, this shit's ass. Holy shit, man. Okay. All right. So got cooked on ES. Got cooked on Nasdaq. Price has basically not gone anywhere still. I honestly, I don't know where it wants to go today. I think it just wants to just do whatever that's doing. Right, let's go over the first trade. So we have marked here pre-market lows. Bang. What do? Nasdaq come through, take out pre-market lows. Bang, bang. Looks like we're respecting it. Bang. Then what do? We come up here. We inverse this 5 minute gap. That's a 5 minute break of structure to me. We've swept these lows. So I actually looked through the previous videos to see what kind of price we were dealing with. The other day, what did we have? We had a sweep of 5 minute lows, and then we just shot and went for the continuing lows. So we took a continuation. Well, we missed a continuation trade yesterday. What have we done here? We've gone up all throughout Asia, all throughout London. We've swept these highs here, and we just don't really know what to do after taking out these highs. Clearly, we had nice highs up here. And we had nice highs up here all stacked, lovely. So that was the initial bias. We just wanted a continuation trade up to that. Made the 5 minute SMT here, this low here, up to this high here. Bang. And yeah, like from this here, it's looking pretty good. Like we're looking pretty good. We went long on this 5 minute break of structure. I didn't wait for a retrace because we didn't even get a retrace yesterday, so it was just kind of quick. We broke 1 minute structure. That's what I wanted. I wanted a 1 minute break of structure, and we also broke 5 minute order flow. So we're now bullish on the 5 minute. Looking good to come up here and take out these highs. We risked like 1.2k on this or something. And yes, we get smoked. That's all I have to say about that. I think it looked pretty good. It looked like we were going to do something similar to what we did the other day, and that's what I was looking for as my opening bias. I was pretty happy with taking that trade. I was pretty happy with my risk, and we'd risked enough to where this made sense. We instantly get stopped out of this trade, pretty much instantly. Just trade down, stop me out, break 1 minute structure. We've taken out these highs here on Nasdaq, I notice. Let's get rid of this here. And then we have now got a bearish SMT. From this high here to this high here, 5 minute bearish SMT. Up to here, we've broken structure. I was like, okay, this is just a joke. I was like, this is so obvious that we've now decided we're not going to go up for these highs. We're coming down for these. These look juicy. I'm so excited. I get on my phone. I put 1.3 on this. And yeah, I was more confident in this trade. I entered that original position. And as we continued trading up, I was so close to putting another like 700 on this trade. I wanted to have 2k on this trade. If I had 2k on this trade, it would have been about 3k. I think take profit on this was 2k. I don't know exactly where my obviously it's different on my phone to where my entries get filled. But yeah, we had 2.5 lost on the day. This trade here, we get these 5 minute up, which to me this looks like a 5 minute retrace. We have the SMT, which is the break confluence. We're 5 minute bearish. We've broken this 5 minute fair value gap. Nasdaq comes down. We've just shit through everything. We've broken on 5 now and the 15. So I get lucky. We get this retrace up into this fair value gap. I just go short on this. My stops are somewhere like this, somewhere here. It might have been lower. I don't know where my stops were. Something weird is we have different we have like different candles like on the phone compared to the real time data, which is just always nice because then sometimes we get stopped out. I can't wait to make a video where I've been stopped out on my phone but not stopped out on the actual price real time data. Right. Yeah, we come up, we then inverse this 1 minute gap, but I'm already in. We've had that 5 minute up and we get the 5 minute down, which basically breaks all of this here. But we get like a Drake candle up, Drake wick. Yeah, I'm in this. And then I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say here. I don't know what to say about this. Was I really wrong? No. But you're always wrong. Like if price doesn't go your way, you were wrong. And this I just am really struggling to blame on myself. I think both of these trades looked good, and both of them just cooked me. So yeah, I didn't even care for these. To be honest, I don't know why I ever went long. It just gave long setups, so I had to do it. Yesterday's price action was bearish. This was long. I thought we were just going to do kind of the similar price kind of reaction and have a continuation trade. My honest opinion was we just weren't going to go up any higher because we were 1% up on the day, and that's why we entered this short. And I was pretty confident in it that we were just going to have a deeper retrace down, and we just haven't. We've just been chopping. But yeah, that's good. I think I've said everything. That's the 5 minute on the ES. Chart looks pretty good, just terrible price action. And yeah, obviously we'd broken 5 minute structure here, but we hadn't on ES, and then we end up breaking 15. So it did like, well, did we have anything here that we just tapped into? No, we didn't, did we? I guess so, but that's so irrelevant, that yeah, okay, well, that's pretty good. Yeah, I don't know what else to say here. 2.5 hard L.